Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, myself Kashish Goyal and I am your reasoning educator. So in today's session, we will be covering a question that is based on machine input output. But before that, as you already know that we are giving you homework questions. So the last class was on syllogism. So first of all, we are doing the homework questions of syllogism. So let's see. So first two questions are, let's see the question number 1 first of all. So all school are colleges. Okay, so all school are colleges, all school are hospitals as well. Okay, so all schools are hospital. Now no hospital is campus. Okay, so no hospital is, this is campus. Okay, this is college, this is campus. Now conclusion number 1, all colleges are hospital. So these are the colleges and these are hospital. So between college and hospital we have a relation of sum, and if we have a relation of sum, we don't know about the all. Okay, so all colleges are hospital, so we don't know whether it can be or cannot be. Okay, so we will not be sure, so we will count it as does not follow. Next, all school being campus is a possibility. So all school being campus is a possibility. No. Why not? Because see, all school are hospital and no hospital are campus, so you can't take the part of school into the campus, because if you take the part of school, it will also take the part of hospital, but no hospital is campus is given. So all school being campus is a possibility. No, there is no possibility, so both are wrong. That is option number 4, either, neither. Conclusion 1 nor second follow. Done. Next, question number 2, some mobile are cells. Okay, so some mobiles are cells, all cells are pagers, all cells are pagers, and no pager is camera. Okay, so no pager is camera. This is camera and this is cells. So first conclusion, all cells are cameras. Okay, these are cells and these are cameras, so all cells are camera. No, there is no possibility, because all cells are pagers and no pager is camera, so there is no part of cell you can take into the camera. This is for sure wrong. Now all mobile being cell is a possibility. So all mobile being cell, yes, there is a possibility, because between mobile and cell there is a sum relation, there is a relation of sum. So all is possible because we don't know about this one, so it can be the part of cell or can't be. So they are asking about possibility, so this is right. That is option number 2, that is only second follow. Done. Now let's see question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. So let's see first of all question number 3rd. Some A is B. Okay, so some A is B, some B is C, no C is D, and some D are E. Done. Now first, all D being B is a possibility. So all D being B is a possibility, yes, because between D and B there is no perfect relationship is given. So when there is no perfect relationship is given, the possibility always true. Second, all E can never be C. Now they are saying that all E can never be C. Now see, this part of E is in the D and no D is C, so this part of E can't be the part of C. So now it is sure that all E can never be C. Now what I have told you earlier, that you can take all can never be as some note, you can take all note as some note, and can never be means actually note, because it is definite. Done. So both follow for the question number 3rd, that is option number 5. Now let's see question number 4th. All flats are hut. Okay, so all flats are huts, no hut is building. Okay, so no hut is building, and all buildings are cottage, so all buildings are cottage. Done. Now conclusion number 1, some cottage being flat is a possibility. So some cottage being flat is a possibility. Yes, there is a possibility, because between cottage and flat we don't have a definite relationship, so its possibility occurs, so it is true, because you can take this part of cottage into the where flat. Yes. Now no cottage is hut, so now no cottage is hut, we can't say, it can be, cannot be, so it will be wrong with the doubt. So only first follow, that is option number 1. Okay, now question number 5. All sticks are plant, all sticks are plants, and all plants are stems, these are stems, and all stems are amphibians. Okay, so all stems are amphibians. Done. Now all amphibians are sticks, so all amphibians are sticks, these are the sticks. So all sticks are amphibians, but all amphibians are stick, this we can't say, so it will be wrong with the doubt. all plants are amphibians. So all plants are amphibians. Yes, this is right, because this is the plant and this is amphibious, so it is in the amphibians. So all plants are amphibians. So only second follow for the question number 5, that is option number 2. Clear? So these were the answer of question number 1 to 5, that is syllogism homework question. Now we will be moving on to the our main topic of today, that is a machine input output. So there you have a information and there is an input which is solved, and you have to solve this input and you have to find the answer of the given questions. Okay, so first of all you should pause the video and try it by yourself, what is the logic and how you can solve it. Okay, and I will let you know the trick. Okay, my work is to tell you the trick and tip to solve the input output fast. So first of all, what we have to do in the input output, first of all see the input and just try to find out its logic. First of all see the last step, okay, so that you can understand what is going on. So if you see the last step, in the last step there is JASILY, but there is no word like that, but there is JC and there is JSLY, so that Y is replaced by ILY. Then we have 595 which is not there, that is 59 is there but 595 that was not there. Okay, so from last step you cannot determine, because there are no such word or no such number. So you have to start from doing the first step, okay, that is this, so that you can understand what is going on. So first of all, in step 1, in the input on the left hand it is R3, but in the step number 1 the numbers comes to be on the left hand, that is 201. So this 201 is not in the above arrangement, but there you have 20. Okay, so from 20 they are making 201, it can be yes. Then R3 36 dotted 59 86, Jesse Bossy 25. Now 25 is not there, Foggy 41 are ready. Okay, so this 25 moves to the right hand and this 25 comes to be 252. So what they have done, that the smallest number they have taken first of all, then they add 1, then they are taking the second highest second number that comes after 20, so they are adding 2 into the right hand. Okay, or you can say to the last. Okay, now if we see the step 2, now in the step 2 201 is moves a step ahead to the right, but onto the left hand it comes to be artly. Okay, so this is made from this. Okay, that Y is interchanged by ILY. Then 201 36 dotty 59 86 Desi. Then this Bossy is not there and it comes to be right hand, and again Y is replaced by ILY. So in the second step, if you see, they are not taking the numbers. In the first step they are taking the numbers, in the second step they are taking alphabets. Now if you talk about alphabets, they are taking in alphabetical order, because A will come first of all, okay, in the dictionary, so it will be arranged to the left hand, and then it comes to be B, so it is arranged to the right hand. Yes or no? And they have what they have done, they have replaced the last Y with the ILY. Clear? Now let's see the step 3. Now in the step 3 the number come to be 3. Okay, so in the third step they are again taking the number, so the last number was taken 25, so now they are taking 36 and they are making 360. So it is obvious that after 20 25 the number that comes to be larger than 25, that is 36. So they are taking 36 and adding now 3, because they have added 1 2 and now 3, and to the right side they are taking 41 and they are adding 4 into the last. Okay, that is a larger number than 36. Clear? Now in the fourth step they are again taking the now alphabet, so A is done and B is done, now they are taking D, and in the last they are taking F. Okay, so in the one step they are taking number, in the other they are taking the alphabets, and when they are taking the numbers they are adding 1 2 3 4 like this in the end. Clear or not? Done. So in the same way, this is the logic, to arrange. Now in the same way we have to do this input and we have to answer the questions. So let's see. First of all we have 1 2 and 3 question. So now it comes to be how to solve the question. Okay, the way they are giving us like this way, that is the whole formation, this is not a good way to solve the input. You have to make a trick. Now what is the trick? Let's see. So first of all you have to understand, in the one step they are moving two things. First step they are moving the numbers, in the other they are moving the alphabets. So first of all they are arranging the number, one to the left hand, one to the right hand. So first of all they will arrange 12 and it will be arranged to the left hand, so it will be L1 and it goes to the left hand, like it will come, suppose it is L1, okay, and this 12 will become 1 to 1 because it is arranged first, okay. Then after 12, the number that goes to be to the right and that will be larger than 12, that is 27, so it will be R1 because it will go to the right side. Yes or no? Done. So this was the step number 1. Now we will see the step number 2. So in the step number 2, they will arrange the alphabets. So first of all, angry, this is arranged to the left side, L2. So L2 will be arranged this side, okay, because it is coming to the corner. Now suppose if R1 is here, then if you talk about R2 after angry, because you have to take in alphabetical order. So after A, it is always that what will come in these words, that is nosy, angry, hungry, grumpy, lazy and sorry. What will come? It will be for sure, that is grumpy. So it will be R2. So it will come here. Done. Now again we are taking number in the third step. So after 27, so after 27 it is obvious 42, so it will come to the left hand, so L3. And after 42, the number that is larger, that is 63, so it will goes to the right hand, it will be R3. So it will be like this, L3 and R3. Okay, done. Clear or not? Now let's see the next. Now we have to take the alphabet. So after A and G, what will come? That will be for sure H, so it will be L4, okay. And to the right side, what will come after H? That is L, lazy, so it will be R4. Clear or not? Till now it is clear or not? Okay, now after this, so this is L4 and this is R4. Now we again taking the numbers. So number till now we have taken 63, so it is obvious that after that it will be 70, and it has to come to the right hand, okay, sorry, left hand. So these are already arranged and then it will be 70, so it has to be arranged to the left hand. So it has to be arranged, so it will be L5, okay, and then right side it will be this one, that is R5. Clear? Now we have to take the what? Alphabets. So after L it should be N, so it will be L6, and this one goes to the right hand, R6. Clear or not? So this will be the final formation. Now why we have done this? Because if the question is asking about first step or second or third, we will make that only step, okay. Now see, what is the position of sorry in the step number 4 from the right hand? So first of all, what we have to take, that we have to take sorry in the fourth step, okay. So first of all, see in the input where sorry is. Sorry is here and it will be arranged in the sixth step, yes or no? So if it is arranged in the sixth step, that is R6, so it is obvious that if you are taking the fourth step, okay, if you are taking the fourth step, so it is obvious that R1, R2, R3 and R4 will be arranged to the right side of R6, yes or no? It is very sure. So if we want to take the position of this one from the right hand, so it will be fifth, yes or no? That's it. Option of C will be the right answer. Clear? Done. You don't need to do anything else. You have to see whether it is arranged or not. So if it is not arranged, so in the fourth step it should be on the same place, that is this place, and all will be arranged to the right hand, and only arrangement will be done R1, R2, R3 and R4 because this is fourth step. Done. So this is how you have to solve. So option C will be the right answer. Clear? Okay, now we will see the next question, that is question number 2. In step number 5, now we have to make the step number 5. If sorry is related to angrily in the same way in the step 3, 272 is related to hungry in a certain way, then in the step 6, 634 is related to which of the following in the same way. Okay, so first of all we have to make step 3 and 5. So if we talk about the step 3, so step 3 will be like this, L1, L2, L3, and in the last we will have R1, R2, R3, and remaining will be as they are in the input. Like L5 is not arranged, so it will be first, then it will be L6, then it will be R5, L2, R1, L4 is not arranged, so it will be L4, L1, R2 are arranged, so it will be R4, then R3, L3 are arranged, then it will be R6. Clear? Now we have to see in the third step, 272 is related to hungry. So 272, that is R1. So this R1 is related to hungry. So hungry is what? L4. So L4 is where? This is L4. So between R1 and L4 you can see two elements between this one. Clear or not? Okay. Now if we make the step number 5, so step number 5 will be like this, L5, L4, L3, L2, L1, and R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 remaining, that is L6 will come first and then it will be R6. Okay, done. Now we have to take a relation of Sori and Angerly. So Sori is R6, means this one, and Angerly is what? Angerly is L2. So this is L2. Again, second to the left of first one, it is L2. Yes or no? Clear? So we are taking the second to the left of element of first one. So in the step number 6, we have to take second to the left of 6, 3, 4. So if you want to make the step 6, so you can just directly make it L6 and R6. So you can just remove them from here. Yes or no? Now we have to take 6, 3, 4. So 6, 3, 4 is made from R3. So R3, so second to the left of R3. So 1, 2, that is R1. Sorry, not second, it will be third left, because there are two elements between, so it will be third left. So 1, 2 and third left, it will be L1. So what is L1? So L1 is 12, but it will not be 12, it will be 1, 2, 1. Okay, so option D will be the right answer. Clear or not? Now let's see question number 3rd. What is the sum of numbers 5th from the left hand in the step number 2? So first of all, we need step 2. So step 2 will be like this: L2, L1, and that side it will be R1 and R2. But we need 5th from the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to take remaining as they are appear in the input. So L5 will be here, then L6, and then R5. So R5 will be our number, that is 94. But it is not arranged, so it will be 94. Okay. And we need 4th from the right in the step number 4. So if you are taking 4th from the right, so it will be R1, R2, R3, R4. This will be the step number 4. And we are taking 4th from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is R1. So R1 will be 27, but it will not be 27, because 27 will be 272, because first of all we have to arrange 12, so it will be 121, then 27 it will be 2, so 272 plus 94, so it will making total of 366. That is option number C will be the right answer. Is it clear or not? Done? Clear? Now let's see question number 4th. In which of the following step number, do the words or numbers nosy, sorry, 272, grumpy occurs together? So we have to see where they will appear as, in which step they will appear together. Okay, so first of all, see, nosy is as nosy because it will not be arranged, that is for sure. Okay, because if it is arranged, it must have been that you have to remove the y and you have to take the ILY, so it will becomes noisily. But it is nosy, so it is obvious that it will not be step number 6. Then sorry is here. So if you see, the sorry is on the R6 position. Okay, so if you have to take nosy and sorry together, okay, you have to take all these out from in between. Yes or no? Is it clear or not? Yes or no? You have to clear them all. But if you see, you have a number 272. So 272, that is formed from 27. So it is only moves to the right side when it is like R6, then it will be R1. Yes or no? Clear? So it will become 272, so it will be arranged. Now grumpily is what? That is R2. So it is that obvious R2. Yes or no? So if you want to take them together, that is R6, R1, R2, and you have to take nosy, you have to remove R5, L2, R1, L4, L1, R2, R4, and R3 and L3. So if you have to remove them, you have to make the 5 step, that is for sure, because you have to remove R5, okay, R4, L4, so you have to make the 5 step. So it will only be possible only in the step number 5. Clear or not? Yes or no? Is it clear or not? Because if it is 5th step, it is obvious that L5, L4, L3, L2 and L1 will be arranged. And if you take from the right side, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 will be arranged. Yes or no? So L6 and R6 will be like this. So L6 is nosy, R6 is what? Sorry, R1 is what? 272, and R2 will be what? Your grumpily. Done. So it will be 5th step. Clear or not? Now let's see question number 5. How many words or numbers are there between the angerly and grumpily in the step number 4? So first of all, step number 4. So it is very obvious that L4, L3, L2 and L1. There you have R1, R2, R3 and R4. Remaining L5, L6, R5 and R6 will be like this. Now we need what? Angerly and grumpily. So angerly is what? L2. This is L2. And grumpily is what? Grumpily is R2. This is R2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there will be 6. Option number B. Clear or not? Done. So this is how you have to solve the machine input output, not by complete forming the passage. Okay, this is not a good way. If you are want to crack the banking examination, you have to be very fast and you have to follow some tricks. Done. So this was the question that we have done. Now this is the homework question. Okay, this is the homework question. This is information, and first of all, this will be complete information. This is the given arrangement. You have to solve it, and this is the given input, and on it basis you have to solve these 5 questions. Okay, so these are the homework question, and you have to answer me in the comment section box so that I can see how many of you are following me, and the trick I am giving is useful or not. Okay, so this is your work. Now one important thing, that you already know that all the examination now, like if you talk about banking examination or insurance examination, are online. So you have to practice online. For that we are giving you free mocks, okay, as well as we are giving full mocks as well, okay, like chapter wise and full mocks. So for that, to attempt the free mocks, you can just go in the description box and you can click on the link that is given in the description box. Okay, after that our app will open. In that you have to go in practice session, then you will find the quizzes. So if you like, I'm clicking on RRBs, so it will be the equations, or you can say the chapter wise question will come. And the most important thing that comes to be like analysis. That is very important, because if you don't know how many questions you have done right or in how many you have done wrong, and how much time you spent on each question, or a singular or a different questions, okay, so that is very important to analyze your test. So we are giving all you that. Now other thing that is very important now, as you have seen that I have given you only one question of machine input output, and it will be, you can say, only one logical input, but there are lot of input output questions, okay, that can be asked during examination, and different types of machine input output is there. For that you have to watch my premium videos in which I have covered all the types of machine input output question. For that, just go into the description box. You can just click on the link and you will come up to our app, and then you can click on video classes. In that you will find any of the section that you want to click, like bank foundation course or RRB course or any of the course. After clicking on any of them like RRB, so you will find my videos and there will be a complete explanation of everything. So this is what we have in this session. So hope so you have enjoyed the session, and if you really enjoyed the session, you find it helpful, do like it, comment your answers and doubt as well, and do share it with your friends. Thank you so much.